Using the VN, we want to try and make it as easy as possible for you to get right to work. And one of the ways that we can help you do that is using this shortcut section right here, because this gives you the opportunity to add one-touch shortcuts to things that you use most often. Let me show you how that works. If I hit this Add button, I can add shortcuts to individual ports. I can also add shortcuts to some of the embedded apps on the panel. And I can also add shortcuts to Windows programs on the OPS. And the way to do that is to add those programs using an application called the Newline Assistant. But when I add a shortcut, and I'll just choose one here from the embedded apps, touch it, and then it adds it as a shortcut right here.